My name is Bishwajit Ranjan and my job title is Director Plant Services. I work for a company named Ellwood Texas Forge, Houston. We are the major oil and gas part supplier. We have a forging facility, heat treat and machining capability. But with oil and gas downturn in 2012, we transformed ourselves to aerospace supplier. Today, like many of the Boeing and other aerospace companies, we supply like up to 100% of the parts. Mostly our parts are related to engine, disc and shafts.
My name is Jason Bryant. I'm a plant and project engineer for Ellwood Texas Forge, Navasota. One of the proudest moments I have is when we finally got the PMs implemented and got them going.
eMaint we started using 2015. Initially, we were very much limited to the work order management and very basic reporting.
When we first started using eMaint, it was used pretty much just for work order requests and work orders, and that was it. When I moved over to the maintenance and engineering department, my first task was, okay, do what you need to do to make this tool actually useful for us.
But as we started using more and more, and with our requirement for meeting to customer needs and customer requirement, we created a lot of metrics on our dashboard that gives clearly a clear picture to not only us but to our higher management and all the stakeholders who want to see how we are doing in our maintenance. Our most critical area, that is forging department, and in forging department we track our downtime. That was like before using eMaint was close to like 10% of the total production time that we allocated, and today I'm very happy to say like it is now 3.8%. So that has been accomplished with several initiatives that we took, but eMaint was the driving factor to tell us how we are doing, tracking our performance and calibrate wherever required to bring back whenever we drifted.
My favorite thing, again, going back to the PMs, we're able to get a lot more detail and information in them compared to our older system. Every morning at 7 a.m. we have a morning maintenance meeting. First thing that we look at is the interactive plan. We used to keep an Excel list of our forging critical spares, and I moved that over to eMaint, and it's become really easy to be able to go in and adjust, because before somebody had to remember, okay, we use this, let me go find the Excel sheet and change, revise that number in there. But now it's really simple.
As an aerospace manufacturing facility, we have quite a few of audit like GE Aerospace or Rolls-Royce or SpaceX or like KHI Japan. All these customers, they come and they not only want to look at the process and product but also look at the safety, quality and maintenance. When it comes to maintenance, it is very easy for us through the dashboard. We can show our KPI and how we are faring in our KPIs, how we have evolved over the years and how our metrics are getting better and better.
We were able to show this auditor immediately, show him this table that says, okay, for January, this is our total closed PMs that were closed on time, PMs that were closed a little late but they were still taken care of, and then there's PMs that are open but not yet late, and then PMs that are open and still late.